Hi there, in this video we're actually going to show you how to add a few more things to your menu bar, and they're actually going to be links, so they can be external links or they can be links to other web pages that are nothing to do with you. So what we need to do first is give it a little title at the top. So we're going to go and create a category. Now I've already created the category that I wanted and it's called Useful Tools. So all you do is you type in the name and then you put in a longer name of what you want it to be found for. So with the Useful Tools, you'll see that the longer name is Useful Tools for WordPress sites. But the one that will show at the top is Useful Tools. I've also put an SEO description of exactly what the category is. So let's just go back. And we now need to go back to our menu. So if you remember, our menu is under Appearance. And we're going to go down to the menu that we created and click View All. And that's going to give us links and categories as well. So what we actually want to do is add a category that we've just created, which is Useful Tools, to the menu. And as I said earlier, that will come directly underneath everything that is already on there. So let's just take a look at the menu where we're at now. And you can see it's currently got About on there. And what we're now going to add is Save Menu. And you'll now see that this has changed to Useful Tools. Oh, something's just trying to fall on me while I'm doing this. Now, we need to add some useful tools underneath that, and the useful tools that I'm going to do are actually links. So we need to click on the links menu and then put a title underneath. So let's start with the very first ones. We can move these about, and I've got a list of them that we've been doing. So the very first useful one that I mentioned was the Gravatar, and that is the link for it. So if I just paste that on there and try to spell, and then add that to my menu, I want Gravatar to come underneath Useful Tools. So all I do is move it to the right. So let's pick one more, and then you can go and do your own. I gave you a site that says what WP theme is that, so what WordPress theme is that, and that gives you the theme and some of the plugins that people are already using. So I'm going to call it a WP theme checker, and then I want it under Useful Tools, so I will just leave that there. And remember to always save when you've finished. So let's go and take a look, and let's update that. And when we hover, you can now see that it takes you where we want to be. So hopefully that's useful to you. Look forward to seeing what you create.